It's so hot. An ordinary fan is humming away, but it's hard to dispel the sweltering heat. Don't endure the stuffiness and torment any longer. The brand new solar-powered fan will give you a 360 cool experience. Don't worry about the expensive freight due to its large size. It's very easy to install. Now, let's take a look at it. Take out the long screw at the bottom of the fan rod and connect it to the base. Then install the fan head. White one to the white one and the black one to the black one. Pull out the support rod. Hide the wires in the support rod. Unscrew the nuts. Install the first protective cover. Install the fan blades. Install the second protective cover. Open the buckle. Fasten the two protective covers tightly. Successfully started. This product can also be used to charge mobile phones. It is equipped with a remote control. It supports multi-level wind speed adjustment. And it has an LED light for illumination. It runs with low noise and has a silent motor. Most importantly, it doesn't require electricity. If you like it, contact us now.